Top 6 programming languages. 5. Kotlin, the best for mobile development. It is the preferred language for Android app development due to its concise syntax and interoperability with Java.
4. Rust, best for performance and security. It has the ability to build high-performance memory-safe systems and very popular in industries that need cybersecurity.
3. Golang, the best for cloud computing. Developed by Google, it is optimized for cloud-based applications and microservices and known for its speed, simplicity, and concurrency. Support.
2. JavaScript, the best for web development. It is a backbone in web development and remains indispensable in creating dynamic and interactive websites. It has multiple frameworks like React and Angular, which powers modern front-end development.
1. Python, the best in versatility. It is the most used due to its simplicity, versatility, and broad application across industries like AI, data science, and web development.
But in the end, just find your field, find a programming language, and stick with it, and that would be your best.